Welcome back, fellas. No, that's just really creepy. How's it going? Okay. No. Oh, didn't see you there. Do you want to know how to put a helmet net on a helmet? That's just incredibly cringy. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to put a helmet net on a helmet. Okay, that's better. I hope that worked out. In all seriousness, trying to figure out how to put on the helmet net can be very, very frustrating.
Let's get it over with.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
Can't do it!
And very difficult. Today, I'm going to walk you guys through the method that I found works best for me, and hopefully it works good for you guys too. Okay, first things first, go ahead and lay your helmet net out on a flat surface and try to get all the corners sort of flattened out and straightened out as well as you can. Set your pot on top. Of course, you're going to want to take out your liner before doing this. All right, next, take your helmet net and count up about 3 holes, and then take your chin strap and slide it through that 3rd hole. It can be kind of tricky to get it through there, but just kind of work with it until it's on, and then repeat the process on the other side. The more net you have actually hanging down inside the helmet between the pot and the liner, the better, because that's how it's going to be held in there nice and secure. Okay, now that that's done, you're going to want to start to go ahead and grab handfuls of the net on the front of the helmet first, and kind of just work on folding them over the brim of the pot. Then move to the back and kind of do the same thing there while holding the front end secured with the other hand. As you can see, it really is a process, but you really just got to keep kind of tugging on it, pulling on it, working with it until eventually the net will be hanging down inside the pot on all sides. Okay, now that you have it where you want it, take this nifty little tie right here and use it to cinch up the net nice and tight. This is going to kind of keep everything secured for now. Just like that, you can see it all got a lot tighter, and we're really starting to get somewhere. Just kind of take these looser spots and sort of pull them in as much as you can. You can see there's one on the back and one on the front. That's typically how it's always going to be. Now take note how there's a loose spot right here and right here. I'm going to show you here in a second how to take care of that. Alright, now take the helmet liner and put it back inside the pot, but be careful to not put it in there tight just yet. Now you see that spot where it was kind of loose earlier? I found that by use of a butter knife, you can use it to push those loose ends deeper inside the helmet to make sure that everything is nicely tight and secure. So just go around the helmet, kind of inspect it, push in the liner as you go to just tuck in those loose ends, and use the butter knife whenever you need to. And then once you're done, go ahead and replace the leather strap on the front and the chin straps on the back, or leave them down, however you like to set up your helmet. Alright guys, and that about does it. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to ask them down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.